This Century 21 Purdum-Epperson Incorporated property video is presented by Steve Silberer. Located whaling distance to WALING, this student rental has 4 large bedrooms, 1.5 baths, large living room, foyer with dining area, kitchen with walkout to a large deck, and laundry on the main floor. Currently this home is leased at $1,400 a month ending May 2022. Lots of off-street parking in back. Storage shed. For more information, review the details below.